Finding the right CDMO partner is one of the most important steps in the early life cycle of your drug product. An injectable drug, a parenteral drug, needs an aseptic fill and finish, and it's a very technically demanding process which many of customers do not have in-house. Aseptic filling is of course not only a technically demanding process, it requires a very extensive expertise and infrastructure which is specialized, and of course a very robust supply chain. With the right CDMO partner, you can stay focused on your molecule and still be confident that your product is being filled to the highest possible quality standards. The companies we are working with are usually small biopharma companies who need to bring their preclinical products to clinical phase and deal the very first time with outsourcing decisions. So this of course is a very exciting and challenging time in their drug development program.